my channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to wire and install the pull cord switch, which usually is you install it inside the bathroom, as you can't have like normal switch in a bathroom. So when you open the switch, this is like two pieces. First, this you need to screw to the ceiling. These two holes are for screwing it to the ceiling, and these two holes obviously for these small screws to put it together. Here's a earthing terminal where you need to put the earthing wire, and when you turn this over, so you see it's got two terminals. It's L1 here, or one way, and the COM terminal. Here you connect the permanent live, here the switch live. So first we need to make a hole for the cable, which should be right in the middle. This is pre-cut. I'm using small pliers to do it. That's it, we've got the hole. So now, because this is the last point of the circuit, so I've got just two cables coming from the ceiling. This one is going from the other room, and this one is going to the straight to the lamp. So obviously I need to mark first where to install the pull cord. And I'm using the UX6 wall plugs. These are special for plasterboards, because this has to be strong enough. When you pull the cord, it cannot come off. It has to stay, obviously. So this is gonna be strong enough to hold it. So I've got these two wires stripped off. Now first thing, I need to connect the two earthing wires into the earthing connect terminal. Now I need to link together both neutrals. I'm using WIGO connector to do this. And now we've got just our permanent live going from the previous room, and we've got our switch live that goes from the light. So the permanent live go to COM terminal in here, and the switch light from the light go to L1. Now we can screw it back. We can turn on the light and operate the switch.